Welcome back to the KTC Garage. This is the channel where we do all types of DIY projects. Creed came to me the other day and he said, Dad, you build all this cool furniture, I want to build something. He said, I want to build a table for my room. So here's how it turned out, coming up. Yeah, that's okay.
I just can't stop. I just can't stop.
I think that's got enough done for today.
Yeah.
You know?
Why do I keep on doing it? Just why?
Well, because, Bud, listen. The reason you keep wanting to touch the hot metal is because as men, we always want to do what's not good for us for some reason. We're genetically programmed to do whatever's bad for us.
Yeah.
Alright, now pull and let off. Hold it down. Alright, right there. Good, man. Do one more. Alright, hold it down a little bit longer. There you go. Good, man. Check it out.
Can I look up?
Check you out, man.
Yeah. Do you think it's flimsy whenever it's done?
Well, we're going to finish welding it up. That's just to tack it so we know it's in the right place.
Okay.
Okay? Now, let me see the gloves.
And then we're going to do the other side?
Yep. All right, now, put your helmet down and watch Dad do it. Now, here you go. So you can kind of, don't pull your trigger yet, but look, you can kind of rest your hands right here where you got a good rest. Hang on, I don't have my helmet down. All right, now hold it down just a second. There you go, you can hold it a little bit longer. All right, good.
Put one more in the middle.
No, I don't need it. Now, right there. And hold it down a little bit more. One more time. Yep. Just like that, man.
Yeah.
Good job, man. See your little tack welds?
That's fun.
Yeah. Now watch my little ease whenever I do this. Get where you can see the actual tip of the wire.
I can see it. That's smoking.
Yeah. That thing is hot in there, yeah.
I've never seen it do that. Can I try putting it on? This part?
Yeah. Let me get this one started. Hot? Oh, that end over there.
I touched it right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do that part. Oh.
You okay?
Mine's a blister.
Other than a blister, you're all right, huh?
Yeah. Is it my turn?
Yep, it's your turn. All right, you're gonna do this one without me, okay?
I don't feel good about this at all.
You got that. I'm right here, okay? Rest your hands on this and make sure you can see down there where your wire is and back up just slightly, right about there, and just hold it down a second. Hold it down a little longer. There you go. Now move to your corner. Get your wire right on that crack.
Okay.
All right, and hold it down a minute. Perfect tack, man. That was awesome, bud. All right, now flip your hands around however you're comfortable. Or move your workpiece. All right. Now put your 2 more tacks in there. Back up just a little away from it, right there. All right. Now put you 1 more. That was good that time. So, did you see on that last one how you started at the top and drug it to the bottom? Yeah. That's what you want to do right there, because you're taking your metal and melting it and then sticking it to the next piece, you see? You start your tack here and then kind of move it.
I did that as a mistake.
Yeah, but it worked out good like that. Good job, my buddy. You're a welder, man.
Yay.
Yeah.
They should really make kid gloves.
They should.
Yeah.
There's just not a lot of kids that weld, so they thought,
I'm gonna make that.
we're gonna make some, huh?
Wait, I have nothing on my helmet.
All right. Maybe we could have Nana make us a pair.
Okay. Okay, I'm ready.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Welding. All right.
Oh my god, that thing is red hot.
Yeah.
Do you think if I touched that brand new thing that you did?
You would have an instant blister.
Really?
Yeah, I've done it. It's not fun. It would be the hottest thing you've ever touched, probably.
Really?
Yeah.
And I've touched a lot.
Yeah, it would be an instant, pretty severe burn there.
Okay, yeah, let's not touch it.
Back up just a little bit. There you go. You good? Good. There you go. Good, man.
Yeah.
Voila!
Yay!
Ha
Would you have to stay in it for a day and a half?
And you'd be
Stuck forever.
pretty stuck, yeah.
Do you think you'd be stuck forever?
Probably. Yeah, I think
It
we're
looks
pretty good.
like
Yeah.
it looks like melted gummy.
I think we're clear. I think we're good to go with it.
That literally looks like melted gummy. Oh, it hurts. The soul. Oh, it looks so good. Now
Hold
can
on.
I put one on?
Hold on. Pull that sticker.
Oh, this looks so amazing. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Now I can put it on?
Yep. Stick them where you want them.
I'm gonna put that one right there. Right there. I'm gonna put one right there. Like right there. This is the last one.
All right. Perfect.
There.
Start right here and go back and forth. There you go. There you go. Good. Back and forth. All the way to the end. Back and forth. Look, you pass. You missed this right here. That's good, bro. Back up. Back up. That is just like a glass, isn't
That
it?
is like smooth as smooth.
Okay, let's look at our time.
Nobody touch it.
Yeah.
Nobody touch it.
Well, here it is, all finished up. This turned out to be a great little father and son project. Creed decided to go with a raw metal with just a satin finish, bare metal, and a bullet motif since he likes to hunt and shoot like the rest of us. Well, I will link all the products that we use today in the description below if you want to go check those out. And don't forget to ring that bell so that you get all my future videos. We'll see you in the next one.